Hello everyone, this is Krishna and I'm delighted to welcome you back to my channel. We are here with the ninth part of our 100-day JavaScript challenge series. So in today's video, we are going to see how to find the square root of a given number in JavaScript. So this is one of the most common asked interview questions for beginners in JavaScript. So let's see how to do this practically. So first, let's create a method called find square root by using arrow function syntax in JavaScript. So this function will expect the number as a parameter and it will return the square root as an output. So the output should be logged in this console log. For this, I am going to copy the method name and provide some sample data as 4. Now I'm going to create a variable called square root which will have the result from math dot square root of number. So this math dot square root from JavaScript will take the number as an input and it will provide us the square root of that particular number. Now let's return this square root. Now execute this. So we should be able to get the output as 2. Now if I send input as 2, square root of 2 is 1.41. In the similar manner, I'm going to specify it as 16 to send 4. So in this way, you can find out the square root of a given number in JavaScript. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.